Hi guys, my name is Jorge again here from Source Electronics, and today I wanted to explain to you guys the second part of this video on how to build this LED illusion mirror using an RF dimmer controller. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is you want to remove the back. Okay guys, once you get your shadow box from your local hobby shop or craft shop, what you want to do is you want to take off the little staples from the back that are holding the cardboard paper. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna see a foam. Okay, before removing that foam, make sure that you unscrew the hanger that has the two screws on the sides. Now for the foam, it's gonna be holding it by a few long staples. Okay, once you remove those, you'll be able to see the mirror. Just lift the mirror and you're gonna see the inner frame. Okay, so the inner frame, to remove the window, what you want to do is you want to separate the 4 pieces of separator of wood that are holding it in place. You can use your flat painter's scraper to do this. Now be careful because this wood has nails sticking out, so you might want to hammer them down so you don't get hurt. Okay, so next what you want to do is you want to grab your piece of glass and you want to clean it really well with a single-sided blade and Windex. Okay, this is to remove any dust particles or contaminants. Next, to apply the window tint, what you want to do is you're gonna separate the window tint from the plastic film. Okay, once you do this, what you want to do is you want to spray with soapy water. You can use dishwasher soap and water, and this is so it doesn't attach any dust particles into the film. Now just place the film on top of your glass, and what you want to do is you want to remove all the extra water from there. Once that you remove the water, you're gonna see that it's kind of still moving. What you want to do is hold it down and use the edge of the glass and a single-sided blade to cut the film to the size that you need. Once you do that, use the flat plastic card and just remove all the excess air bubbles and water from it, and just let it dry for a few hours. Okay, next what you want to do is you want to remove the decoration from the mirror. Okay, so to do this, first we remove the inner picture, and then we use the flat painter scraper to lift the frames from the mirror. Just be careful not to make so much pressure so you don't break the mirror. Now remember, it's gonna have silicone caulking glued to that frame. So what you want to do is apply some Windex with ammonia so you can remove it with a single-sided blade and allow the silicone caulking to be removed easily. Now just make sure that you clean it and polish it so the mirror looks really shiny and nice. Next, what you want to do is you want to build your own separators. Okay, we use balsa wood. The balsa wood, what we did is we painted black so the LEDs will be shown better, and we cut them to a size of about 25 centimeters long and about 2.2 centimeters wide. We used 2 pieces like that and another 2 pieces were 24 centimeters long and 2.2 centimeters wide. This allows you to make all 4 sides with separators just enough so the mirror will land on the top and be as far away as possible. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to make sure that you make a small incision on the frame. You can cut this about 1.2 centimeters wide and 2.2 centimeters deep. This would allow the LED strip wires to come out of the frame and not give you any bulk inside. Okay, so now to apply the LED strips, just make sure that you center them in the middle between the glass and the mirror. This is gonna give you the best effect possible. Okay, we used about 101 centimeters of LED strip, which is about 40 inches, and we used for this one the 50-50 dual density strip. It's a 12-volt strip and it has about 60 LEDs per meter. Okay, So on this one, what we did was we started applying it. We went around and we applied it right in between both the glass and the mirror. And then once that's done, what you want to do is you want to place your mirror back into the frame. Okay, just apply some masking tape on the sides and the corners to allow it to hold, but so you can have easy access to remove it in case you want to. Okay, then what we did was we connected it to an RF dimmer, as you can see here, and basically you can change effects. Like you have different modes. Right now it's changing colors. You can select just one single color, and then you can select the brightness that you want. You can bring it down, you can make it brighter, whatever you want. Okay, well, thank you guys. If you have any other questions, make sure you comment down below. Remember to like us and subscribe, and thank you for watching.